Have you ever gone through anything like this before?
I hate my life.
My life is so boring!
Have you ever wished that the remote you use to control your TV could be used to control time? Now it can. This product has a ton of great features, like rewind.
Hey.
Fast forward. Volume.
Away, none my head but yeah. Hands up to play my.
Oh yeah!
Replay. And now for some satisfied customers.
I love the time controller. It comes in handy a lot. Like when I'm late to work, or when I hurt myself doing a cartwheel, and have to hit the rewind button to start over.
Well, I like the time control remote a lot because I like to rewind things to redo things that I made mistakes on.
The time controller was a really cool idea, and I think it's totally rad.
The time controller can be yours for just 4 easy payments of $1,000. But wait, if you call within the next 4 seconds, you will receive this free puppy. But with fun comes danger. Now for some advice to beware. This product may result in nausea, memory loss, weight loss, self-loss, weight gain, upset stomach, unusual actions, and or death. So have fun.
PIT adapted.
Remix, baby.